Hello everyone, welcome to TBG's Women's Zone. Today we are going to see about the benefits of airbrush makeup. The evolution of makeup from ancient times to today's style is something dramatic. As airbrush makeup is one of the top talk of the town by most of the girls, I would like to share with some of the advantages of it. Airbrush is most commonly preferred by brides on their wedding day, but many would not be aware of the benefits of the makeup. Get to know about the advantages and try it out on your special occasions. Natural look. The first benefit is that this makeup gives you a natural look. When compared to other traditional makeup, airbrush gives you a perfect and natural finish with an even skin tone. This is because the makeup is sprayed onto the skin, which covers all the tiny pores and creates an even surface on the face. Traditional makeup are applied through brushes and sponges, which sometimes results in uneven output, but airbrush makeup mostly negates the chances of uneven makeup application. Better aesthetic look. When compared to other makeup types, airbrush makeup gives you a finer aesthetic look. As the makeup is applied through spray, the surface of the skin can be easily adjusted to create finer makeup strokes, which can be easily adapted for lighter or heavier application and gives you a better result. Best for photography. Photography plays a vital role in the wedding as it captures all the beautiful moments. Today's camera is of multiple megapixels and HD cameras that hone all the minute details in an image. Traditional makeup takes time to settle on the skin, which results in wrinkles and open pores, which will be magnified easily through the latest video cameras, while airbrush makeup gives you a smoother, even and natural look on the video. We can even say that brides look good on their wedding video and pictures are due to airbrush makeup. Stays on for a longer time. There is no doubt that Indian wedding takes a longer time to cover all the aspects of the wedding rituals, but this is not good for a bride with traditional makeup as it degrades with time. But airbrush makeup has the ability to stay longer for more than 12 to 24 hours. When your makeup lasts longer, you can maintain your perfection and look brighter throughout the wedding day, regardless of the time taken to complete the rituals. Lastly, airbrush makeup is a nifty and trendy makeup solution for Indian brides and a long drawn for the big Indian wedding. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and do like and subscribe for more such videos. And don't forget to click on the bell button.